How to remove the head on a robin trimmer. Robin Outdoor Power Products is a company that produces professional lawn and garden tools, such as trimmers and leaf blowers. According to the company's website, they specialize in creating tough, commercial-grade equipment. Although designed for professional landscapers and yard maintenance crews, their equipment is fairly simple to maintain. Removing the head from a robin trimmer is a simple task. Things you will need: trimmer screwdriver. Turn the robin trimmer upside down, so that the trimmer head is facing upward. Grasp the bottom edge of the plastic cover attached to the trimmer head. Press in on the two tabs and pull up on the cover to remove it from the trimmer. Remove the spool of nylon twine from the center of the head by grasping it and pulling straight up. Insert the screwdriver, provided with the trimmer, into the hole located at the base of the head gasket. Rotate the screwdriver counterclockwise to loosen the support gasket inside the trimmer. Grasp the base of the trimmer head and turn it counterclockwise to remove it from the trimmer.